In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Ray-Ban Aviator nose pads. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly adjust the nose pads on your set of Ray-Ban Aviators. Even if you have different types of glasses like sunglasses and even different types of frames, you will be able to follow these instructions. So first, I'm going to be talking about how to adjust them if you have these metal bits here. So if you have these metal frames, all that you have to do is physically bend them using your fingers. So you can push them inwards, outwards, you can push them up or down and adjust the angle. Even if they aren't symmetrical, that's fine. They should fit comfortably around your nose, and to achieve this, you will be able to bend them into position using your fingers. So as long as you do the initial adjusting, they should remain their shape because of these metal wires connecting them to the actual glasses. So it's as simple as moving them around. They should be flexible enough to where you can position them and they will remain their shape because of these metal bits connecting them. So once you bend them into shape, they will remain with that. So you can try putting them on. If it is sitting too low or too high, you need to move the nose pads closer together or farther apart. If it is sitting too down on your nose, you might need to angle the bottom of the nose pads inwards to grip your nose better. If it is pinching your nose, widen the distance between the nose pads. And if it is sitting unevenly, you need to adjust one of the nose pads more than the other. Even if there is a small difference, that's fine. But if it is way too much and it is way too angled, then make sure that you adjust it accordingly. And if you have some frames that are made of plastic, this will be done by warming them with water, so you can let them submerge or try to use a warm cloth, and then the material becomes malleable. With this done, you simply position them correctly using your fingers. But for metal frames, it's as simple as moving them around. I hope I was able to help you on how to adjust Ray-Ban Aviator nose pads. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.